Hello there, this is Jeff with Whirlwind Family Farm, and we are so glad that you have found our channel. We are a market garden located here in the beautiful Texas Hill Country, and it is a piece of land that my wife and I purchased a few years ago with the intention of making this garden. It took a lot of our savings and time and effort, blood, sweat, and tears to build this small market garden. But through all of that, we've learned a lot about gardening and how to move it forward and how to do it in a very simple, straightforward method. So whether you are a longtime gardener, first-time gardener, or thinking about gardening, we hope that each week this channel can take you further along. And we will show our methods and things that we do in a very simplified manner. There's a lot of great channels out there that get deep into the microbiology of gardening, and that's great. But many times you don't have time for that, and you would prefer to be able to learn quickly and simply how to plant something so you can have it for your garden, for your family, or for your friends. And we hope each week that's what this channel does for you. We already have over 200 videos on this channel which you can go to, which we hope are entertaining and informative for you, your family, and of course to take your gardening further along. Here in the beautiful Texas Hill Country, there's lots of wildlife, wonderful sunsets, and things that we like to show in our videos, and we will do that each week. So what can you expect? Well, each day we try to have a 30 to 40 second video that will show you something informative that's quick, simple, and easy. And each week, we will try to have a video that's not too long, a long form video where you can go in and learn more in depth about a single plant, vegetable, or planting procedure. So that is Whirlwind Family Farm, and we're so glad you found us. Certainly hit that subscribe button and bell for notification so each week you'll see when our content pops up and is ready to go. Thanks again for finding us. We know you're going to enjoy our channel. Blessings over you, your family, your garden, and all of your harvest. Talk to you soon from Whirlwind Family Farm.